Wait, before you do your makeup, you might be doing this wrong. Today I want to show you a 15-minute routine that makes your makeup to look good. And at the end, I'll show you that one step that makes everything to look 10 times better. Hey friend, it's Zelga Jones. Let's quickly fix your makeup routine. First step is moisturizer. Most people skip this step, which actually makes the makeup to look patchy. Moisturizer first. Look at the difference between this side and this side. This side is more moisturized and this side is dry. So moisturizer is very important. Since we have applied moisturizer, we just want to apply little primer. This is optional. You can choose to or to not apply primer as long as your skin is moisturized. Brows frame your face, but overdoing it ruins everything. So we're just brushing everything upwards just to get as much volume as we can get. I used to do mine darker. Don't do it. The next step is foundation. You don't want to apply too much foundation. This is what makes your makeup look cakey. So for foundation, you can either use a brush that is dense. You know, the bristles are dense and soft. Or you can use a beauty blender. I just love to use brushes because right now I have a little situation going on. I have dark spots that I'm trying to cover. So if I want full coverage, I use a brush. And you do not rub or swipe. You do not do this. You tap, 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 tap. That's how you blend your foundation. If your foundation is the right shade, it should match your skin and your neck. See how skin like this looks already. And it's covering all my dark spots, it's covering everything. Place your concealer here, 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 and here. This is just to highlight. So this application instantly lifts your face. And if your makeup looks dry, you are probably doing it wrong. And so now we are about to set the concealer, all the places that we applied concealer, that's under the eyes, forehead, and chin. So you take your powder like this. Do you see how this is too much? You tap it at the back of your hand like this. Because we are not baking, and this is a translucent powder, it works on all skin types, but because we're not baking, we are tapping the excess off and then just doing this. Do you see the difference? Like, this is made already, this is set, and you see. And you don't need too much product because it will look cakey and your makeup will crack. Okay, wait, this is where most people mess the whole look when applying bronzer. So now that we have set our face with powder, we are going to go in with a powder bronzer. So you don't want to drag down your bronzer like this or do this in circular motion. You actually want to apply it going upwards. This instantly lifts your face, like, so this is where you want to apply your bronzer, going upwards, not do you see? Bronzed, lifted. The next thing is blush. This is what makes you look alive, not tired. So how do you apply your blush? You don't want to drag like I showed you with the bronzer. You want to apply it going like this, okay, like an angle, like, because we want to lift our face. So, and also you don't want to apply it here, like here. Okay, this is where your blush goes. So are you a heavy blush girl or a soft blush girl? Let me know in the comments. So for the eyes, you don't need 10 colors, please. And since this is also a 15-minute look, we are just going to do one color, which is a brown shade. Because we don't have that much time, we are rushing. We're going to work, we're going to church, wherever you are going. But you can still do a soft glam with the browns and the nudes, all of that. I just chose brown because for the sake of this video, but you can actually put 2 colors or 3. I'm just going to put mascara. I just don't want this video to be too long. So moving on to the lips, I want to do a nude lip, and the combo that I'm doing instantly pulls the look together. So come closer again. And okay, right. So I don't like to overline my lips because I feel like I have big lips, so it will look somehow for me. Please. I got this lipstick from my sister. It's an Inuka lipstick. Oh, it's an Inuka lipstick, and this is my first time trying it, and shocker, I'm shocked. Oh my god. This this is it. No brush needed. Like, do you see this? Oh my god, oh my god, I love this lipstick. And it's in the shade AM10. So I'm going to put a number somewhere here or down in the description, so that when you want to buy this lipstick, you can just contact her. She has them, she sells them. And this lipstick is tea, please. I love it. Now I'm thinking, should I even put lip gloss, or I should just leave it like this? No, I'm a gloss girl, so girl. So now this is the step I was talking about. This is what makes everything melt together. So I literally drained myself. It melts everything together like. So this is my full 15-minute face. It looks simple but expensive, right? Comment glow in the comment section if you have reached this far, and save this for your next get ready with me.